Hello everyone. Today we have a rarity to us. It's almost brand new KAESER compressor SX 8T with integrated air dryer, uh, manufactured in 2014, up to 11 bars. The previous owner said that the air dryer has never been used. It was turned off, and the compressor really looks great in its original shape. Everything looks great, really neat, fully functional. Let's take a look. It's 3,418 hours on the meter and only 817 hours on the load. So it's perfectly great shape. Like I said, it's almost brand new compressor. I confirm that the echo drain on the dryer is working, and it's around 745 hours left to regular maintenance. So looks great, really. I will start it now. It's amazing how quiet these machines really are. Thank you, and good luck on your bids.